Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a what's on my beauty wish list video. So I'm going to talk you through some of the things that I've really been interested in buying lately, but I haven't pulled the trigger yet and got them. So I thought this was a good video idea because you guys can let me know if these products are worth it or not, if you have any good or bad experiences with them, or maybe there's something different that you think is better that I should try instead. So if you want to see what's on my wish list, then please keep watching. So most of these things are on my Sephora wish list, so I'm going to be looking at my phone to kind of tell you the prices and everything, and then I'll pop pictures up on screen of what I'm talking about. So the first one is the Tom Ford bronzing powder, and I've had my eye on this bronzer for a while. It's in the color Terra. It's currently sold out at Sephora, but it's $70, and I think they stock this at Nordstrom's and other places as well. But it's an oil-free bronzing powder with a silky, lightweight texture for perfect, natural-looking radiance. So I've been trying to switch up my bronzer lately and use some different ones because I kind of get stuck in a rut with my two favorites, which is the Becca Sunlit Bronzer and my Glow Skin Beauty Sunlight Bronzer. So I really like those two, but the packaging of this Tom Ford one is just so beautiful, and I feel like a lot of people that are like, you know, a lot bougier than me use this as their everyday bronzer, and I feel like a lot of other people also have this as kind of like their special occasion bronzer. So I'm really interested to try this. The only thing that I'm not sure about is I think that it does have talc in the ingredients. It does. So I'm trying to kind of avoid products with talc recently because they're just supposedly really harmful for you. But it's just so beautiful, and I just feel like, do I want to try it? I don't know. You tell me. The second product is another Tom Ford product, last one I promise, and this is their cream and powder eye color, and I have my eye on the shade Golden Peach, although what's this shade? The shade, the gold one, Naked Bronze, also looks beautiful, but Golden Peach looks really cool. I like this product because it has both a cream and powder color in it, and this just looks like one of those special eyeshadows that you kind of put on top of an eyeshadow look, and you can just kind of, you know, have a basic color in your crease and just have this on the lid, and it will really elevate your look and make you look a lot fancier. So this is $62, which is extremely exorbitant for a single eyeshadow, but I guess it is 2-in-1 because you do get the cream and the powder, so that makes it really two eyeshadows that are $31 each, which is still exorbitantly expensive. But it's just so, again, so beautiful, and I just like that it's a 2-in-1. I feel like this is a nice one to throw in when you're traveling for like a night out. This can be just your special thing that you put on for kind of going out. And then another bronzer I have my eye on that's a lot cheaper than the Tom Ford is the Urban Decay Beached Bronzer in the shade Bronzed. And this has really beautiful packaging as well, totally different look than the Tom Ford, and this is only $30, so less than half the price of the Tom Ford. But I've seen a lot of people using this. I'm a little hesitant because the color seems just a little bit too deep for my fair skin, but I think I can make it work. And again, I'm just on the hunt for a new bronzer, and I haven't used an Urban Decay bronzer before, I don't think, so I'm curious to try this one, and I've just seen so many people using this on YouTube that I feel like I have to try it. Even if I end up not liking it, I'm probably going to buy it at some point just to see what the hype's about and know if I like it or not. To kind of mix it up, I'll mention one other product that I want that's not really kind of makeup related, it's more beauty related, and that's a nail polish. And I've really had my eyes on the NCLA beauty polishes. I think they are like vegan and cruelty free, and I think they're like supposedly, I want to say, more natural and healthier for your nails, which is something that I've been looking for in nail polishes recently. I like purged my nail polish collection a while back and kind of whittled it down, and I don't have that many left, and I'm trying to only purchase like healthier ones. And I actually always get my nails done on my fingernails, but my toenails I paint myself, so I'm really interested to try these. They're a little pricier. I think they're like $20-something for one polish, but they have super beautiful colors, and that's one of the things that really drew me to them, because sometimes some of the healthier nail polishes just don't have colors available that I'm interested in, but all of the NCLA ones look super beautiful. So let me know if you tried them, if they're worth it. I feel like any polish on the toes is fine because toenail polish never chips like fingernail polish does, but I just don't know if it's worth the splurge or if I should just buy one at the drugstore. Two lip products I've had my eyes on are the Laneige lip mask and one other of these Lawless lipsticks. So the Laneige lip mask is $20, and it's their lip sleeping mask for all skin types. And I think the packaging is super beautiful. You can see the picture here. And I've just really been after kind of like a nice thick lip balm to put on at night, something that feels a little bit more luxurious, maybe something that I keep on my nightstand. I've been using this. This is the L'Occitane Shea Butter, and that's what I've just been using as my like all the time kind of lip balm recently. And I like that because it's like a healthier, natural product, but this Laneige lip mask people rave about, and again, it's just so beautiful. The packaging always gets me. And then the Lawless liquid lipsticks I've been really into lately. I'm wearing the shade Jake right now, which might just be my like favorite everyday lip color ever. I've been literally wearing it nonstop every single day since I've gotten it. So I've had my eyes on a few other colors. I already have Leo, but the one that I'm really interested in is Cameron, which is a light pinky nude. So I think Cameron is kind of going to be a cross between Leo and Jake, and kind of be a really good, nice, pinky, everyday neutral. This Jake shade is like a little bit bright and pinkier, which I think is fine. Like, I'll rock this every day and not care. But sometimes if I'm not in the mood for that, and I'm not in the mood for like a super brown taupe like Leo, Cameron just seems like the perfect shade. And I just love this brand because it's all natural. These are $25, and let me know if you've tried them. Okay, one other lip product I forgot to mention that I also have my eye on. I've also been using this every day on top of the Lawless. I don't have it on yet, but this is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea collection lipsticks, and this is in the shade Salt Life, which pairs really perfectly on top of Lawless Jake. And I just love this combo because the Lawless liquid lipstick can get a little dry, and I start to get kind of that line in the middle, and this is like a really nice moisturizing, hydrating kind of formula that just kind of glides on and evens everything out, and it's a really good color combo. But I have my eye on another shade, which is Sunkissed, I believe, and these are $21, and Sunkissed is more of like a pink peachy shade, whereas this one's like a much deeper kind of mauve tone. And I just really, the packaging again is beautiful, and I just really like the formula of this. They're nice and moisturizing, easy to kind of swipe on, and I've been using this every day. Okay, and the final two products are both products I've had on my Nordstrom's wish list, but you don't need to get them at Nordstrom's, obviously, but they're both actually sold out right now, so it won't show me the price. But the first one is a new mascara, and this is the MAC Cosmetics MAC in Extreme Dimension Lash Mascara. And this one has a really distinctive looking bottle, which I've been really recognizing in kind of like random, like, influencers like Instagrams and stuff. So I've been seeing people using this a lot, and I've been really having a problem with my mascara transferring on my eyelids throughout the day. And I've mostly been using drugstore mascaras, or I've had like more high-end mascaras, and MAC kind of feels just like middle of the road, but you kind of trust MAC because it's like a professional's line. So I'm really interested to try this mascara. I've never used a MAC mascara, I don't think, or if I did, it was like a bajillion years ago and I don't remember. So I hope this one doesn't transfer. I'm really interested to try it. Maybe after I run out a few of my drugstore ones, this I think is going to be my next purchase. And then one more product from Nordstrom's, but oh, it doesn't even look like they have it anymore. So this is also sold out, but it's the By Terry Cellularose Brightening CC Serum. And I have the one in the shade Sunny Flash, which you've seen me use in videos before. I'll pull it out here out of my drawer. So this is the one in the shade Sunny Flash, which is the super deep tan one. And for my fair skin, a lot of times this is just like too dark, and I'll be the first to admit it. Sometimes I put it on and I know it's too dark, but it just makes you look so like healthy and glowy and like really fresh, so I really like it. But there's another shade called Apricot Glow, which is one step below Sunny Flash, and it's more of like a peachy toned one that I think would be a really good match for my skin. There's also like a pink one and then a white one that are even lighter, but I want something that's gonna like give me that healthier, give me a little bit more color to my face and kind of cancel out any redness. That's why I'm really interested to try Apricot Glow, because I don't want to go too light and have it just be a highlighter. I want it to really kind of like be slightly masking to my imperfections and also give me that glow. Okay, and that's it for everything that's on my beauty wish list lately. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing these products. A lot of them are kind of higher end, so that's why I'm making this video. Let me know your opinions on these products if you've tried them, or if you like them, or if you don't like them. Let me know down below, and also let me know what's on your beauty wish list. I'd love to hear your suggestions of other things that I should kind of have my eye on. So as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.